Hi everyone, today we will be folding this little stick figure, and I gotta be honest, I actually designed this quite a while ago and I've only gotten around to folding it right now, but I did it, I'm here, and I'm finally folding this. So with that out of the way, here's how to fold it. Alright, so for this model, I'm just going to use a simple white sheet of 6-inch paper, but you can really use any color or size that you want. Alright, so first we want to fold a pinwheel base, so let's fold in half in all directions. Alright, that's one way. The second way we'll fold diagonally in the other direction. And then fold along the two vertical axes. So there is one. Alright, so now let's take this edge and fold it to the center crease. And then rotate and repeat. And then rotate this way and fold this edge to the center crease. And once again rotate and repeat. Now, if we zoom in on the corner, we can take this point and fold it down to this intersection. And if we pull this out, you see we have made a flap. Alright, and now let's do this on the other three corners. Okay, so now what you're looking at is a pinwheel base. So let's just put the bottom flaps at the bottom, and the top flaps at the top. And then now what you want to do is you want to take this middle point, and then if we open it up, we want the two creases here to be mounted folds. So if we just do that, then it should look something like that. Alright, now we're going to thin out all these flaps. So if we turn it this way, we can take this edge and fold it to this crease. Then take this crease and line it up with the middle crease. Let's fold down, and let's fold it back up. Alright, and do the same on the other side. Alright, so now unfortunately we have to unfold the entire model. So let's start with the pleats, and then let's unfold all of this. And let's turn over. Now you'll notice there are quite a few extra creases. That is because I accidentally deleted a huge section of the video, so I had to undo it and then redo some of the steps. Whatever. So first we want to make a mountain fold all the way across here. It won't be in the center for you, so you have to remake that, but it's just a little fold. And then mountain fold it along here. And along. And once you reach the corner, let's go along here, and then down here. You don't have to fully finish the fold down here, and then do the outer ring of this one. Should look like that. And then finally do a mountain along here to match up with the one that we started with. And now you want to make a ring of valleys, so let's fold a valley fold all along here. And then let's make a valley fold inside here. And then let's make a valley fold in this U. If you notice the creases are a little harder for you to make, that's probably because mine has already been folded. So don't be worried if it takes a little bit longer for you to do the creases, that's fine. Alright, now make yet another mountain, a ring of mountains around here. So that's the first U. Then there's a little part right here. Then go down a tiny bit. And then do one over here as well. And once again, we'll finish off where we start. And then a final ring of valley folds. You should be making a new fold right here. And then a valley fold around here. Valley fold here. And then the last one should just be this middle one. These folds came undone, so that's why I accidentally redid them. And then now you want to make a mountain fold along here. This will not be pre-creased. And then, so that should line up with this line and with this line. Then you want to make a valley fold in here, which should line up with this line, Then one final mountain, which should line up with these two ones. And then a final valley, which should be in the middle. And then here is our human base. Alright, so now we'll be focusing on the final little details to really make this look good. So, I'm going to start with the head. So let's open this up, and let's squash down like that. Make sure the arms stay in this position. And then valley fold this up. And then for the top part, you just want to fold it down a little bit, just so that this edge is the same length as this edge. We're forming an octagon. Alright, but now you can see obviously that the bottoms aren't rounded, so what we can do is reverse fold those in. And just use your thumb and pinch it in. I know it will look kind of gross on the back, but it's the back side, no one will see it. And then just do the same on the left side. Alright, and let's work on the feet. So now we're going to make a giant rabbit ear. So turn it in this orientation, and let's valley fold along here, making the flap really nice and thin. So it's like that. And then form a rabbit ear at the very base. Like that. And then mountain fold it about where you think a good knee would be. Something like that. And then fold the foot up so it looks like that. Alright, so that's one leg, and then you can repeat that on the left leg. Alright, and those are the legs. Now let's add like some more detail to the hands, and that should be it. So let's again do a rabbit ear on the hands, on the arms I should say. Sorry, let's just do the right one for now. So we've rabbit eared this arm. Let's bend the elbow, and let's just bend the hand in. Yeah, let's bend it in. Actually, no, we should bend it out. Alright, so it looks like that, and then repeat that on the left arm. Alright, now if we just position it, you can see you have finished our human figure. And I hope you enjoyed folding this. This was a lot of fun to fold, and I will see you in the next video.